Hello friends, my name is Piyush Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Multi-Bagger Stock Ideas. I hope you guys are doing very well. So friends, today I will discuss very interesting topic on a stock market. Yes, I would like to discuss with you what is the effect of US stock market on Indian stock market. Yes, I know it's very common question, and this question is in the mind of every trader or the investor, whether it's in Indian or USA. So let's discuss some facts. The first step is like globalization. India went for privatization when Indian government announced budget of 1991, and this is called new economic policy. Due to globalization, one concept came into the world, that is any business entity independent to supply the products and technologies or services of their business to any other country as per the norms of the country. Let's take one example, like if Indian companies set up their business in USA, then they have to follow the business policies of USA market. Also, Indian companies have to identify the taste or the requirement of the US people for selling their products. It requires lot of research and big investment too. If companies will not meet the requirement and standard of quality measurement of the country, then it will be very difficult for the company to sell their products into that country. So if the Indian companies will not perform well in USA, then it will have a bad impact on the listed entity in India. So that is very bad. If you are not meeting the standard, you are not meeting the taste of that country where you want to set up the business, where you have set up the business, that's very bad. So that will definitely have a bad impact on the Indian stock market. Next, we will discuss the political influence. Political influence play a vital role in the growth of two countries. If the both countries have good deals, then it will give big boost to the business of both countries. There are many US companies, those are listed in the Indian Stock Exchange. If there will be best business opportunity to grow, then it will attract other companies to start their businesses into India. It will only happen when both countries will have a good political bonding. The next I would like to discuss on economic policy impact. The businesses of both the countries are highly dependent on the monetary policy, fiscal policy, tariffs of trade. If the trade tariffs will be increased in the USA, it will adversely affect on the profit of the Indian companies, because companies have to pay more for exporting their products to US market. It will drag down the Indian stock market. Furthermore, the rate of currency, US dollar is accepted almost everywhere in the world, but Indian currency is weaker than other leading currencies in the world. If the Indian rupee will depreciate, then it will have bad impact on Indian companies. For example, if Indian companies are buying any raw material from the US market, then companies have to pay more for buying their materials, and it will have directly impact on their profit. Similarly, as discussed earlier, if trade tariff will increase by the US government, then it will also impact on Indian company profit. Then definitely it will lead to the downfall in the Indian stock market. Couple of days, you can say, for the short term, yes. Now I would like to discuss about the visa policy. If the visa policy will be strict in USA for the Indian companies, then it will be very difficult for the Indian companies and US companies, to hire the employer from the overseas. That will definitely impact on the profit of the companies. The next very important step, rate of interest. If there is meeting of central bank on increase or decrease of the interest rate, then it will impact more on Indian and US market. Increase in rate will have negative impact on the businesses for the short term. And we will see the profit booking in the USA market as well as the Indian market too. For example, the company those have taken more loans from the bank for running their projects, they have to pay more interest on their loan. Some of the sectors like real estate, infrastructure and manufacturing units. Sometimes announcements of stimulus packages play a vital role in the both markets. When the businesses of the countries are coming into the laws, then governments of those countries announce some stimulus packages for giving support to their industries. Those stimulus packages can be into many forms like relaxation in taxes and relaxation in some policies. So these kind of benefits may rise the, or we can say after the announcement of such stimulus packages, it gives the boost to the stock market. In nutshell, we can say that US stock market and Indian stock market are interconnected due to many factors as discussed earlier. But if any country have their own reason like political problem, internal economic growth issue, then that country may react negatively for the short term. So sometimes the internal factor also play a role to track or to give the rise to the stock market. So in nutshell, again I can say, yes, globalization and other factors play a vital role in both countries' stock market. So for the more details on this topic, you may visit to my website, that is multibaggerstockideas.com. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button for more latest updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.